Hey viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to check status in Florida. So let's get started. The process is quick and simple. First, go to the Sunbiz business entity search page. For that, you can use the link mentioned in this video. On their page, so you can see their search box. Here you have to enter your LLC names. You can type the full name or part of it. I have mentioned the examples below. Then click on search now. If the LLC exists, it will appear in the list of results. Click the business name to open its detailed page. You will find all of their details like entity name, document number, their EIN number, if available, status, filing date, principal address, registered agent, and annual reports as well. You will see one of these status. Active means the business is in good standing, inactive means missed annual reports, and voluntary dissolved means the owner choose to close the LLC. And that's all. That's how you will be able to set up all this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.